Can I catch a big bass on my lunch break? What's up everybody? The Bass Fishing Dude here, back with another video. Currently on my lunch break. And I work in an area where there is a small industrial pond that is completely untouched. And I feel like there might be some fish in this pond. I've actually come over here and looked at this a couple times, and I brought two baits with me. Flukes and a crawl. Let's go see if we can get something done. Stay tuned. I've been working at this company for 3.5 years, and this water has been here, and I have never once come over here and attempted to fish it. What's also crazy is I used to go to school right here, the building that's just on the other side of this tree. So, as you can see, this area is completely unmanicured. I don't have on any boots, so I won't be going that deep down there. There's a couple swirls over here, and I brought two baits with me, crawl and a fluke. Weightless Texas rig. I'm gonna see if maybe I can grab something up out of here on my lunch break. Let's throw that fluke. There's not a lot of room over here for me to really toss this, so I'm gonna try to get a good footing. I don't know how deep this is, but I would like to think that there are some fish in here. Wish there was a better spot for me to get to. Looks like somebody else has had the idea to come over here and fish this spot. Walk and find another little edge to hit. It's a bite, small one, maybe a turtle though. Ah, there's one. On the fluke. Calm down, guy. Not a bad guy right there. A little dink. It's not terrible. Let's get him back in there. Well, we know there's fish in here, so let's hope we can get a bigger one. Because if you got a little guy like that in here, there's probably a slightly larger one up in here too. get him? Yep, there's another one. Slightly better. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's a slightly better fish. Right there. Oh no. This might be the same guy that, no, he's not, because this one doesn't have the tear in his lip. The other little guy did. It's another dink. But hey, dinks need love too. Yeah, decent little larger. Not bad. Fluke got a decent little bite on it then today. So a little slightly better one from the first one. So let's see if we can get us a bigger one. This weather has been so bad the last couple of weeks, man. It's actually been raining today. Got this small break in the day. Been wanting to come over here, like I said, and fish this spot for the last 3 years, and just really haven't had an opportunity to get over here. And every time I bring a rod and reel with me to work, it decides it wants to rain. So I figured I'd take this opportunity. Well, we got a little bit of a clear space to come over here and do some fishing. Basically, I'm just working that fluke along, just tapping him along. The jerk bait, basically, is giving off a nice darty type motion in the water to entice a bite, basically like a dying bait fish. Oh, there's another bite right there. It's either a turtle. Let's see. Come back and get it. Ah, he didn't want it. Let's go right back over there again. Let's see if we can. The weather has been cooling off a lot. It's getting actually pretty chilly out here. Of course, I forgot my jacket. There's one. Oh, much nicer fish right there. Much nicer. Oh yeah, there we go. I knew he was hanging out right there, just waiting for that meal to come back through. Nice fish right there. That's a nice one. Let's get a quick pick with him with the. Let's get you unhooked. There we go. All right, there's a decent one. Nice little guy. Good looking fish right there. So what is that, number 3, and what? We've been out here 10 minutes? Not bad. Yeah, he was just hanging out right there on that edge, right underneath that brush right there. Just worked it along right here under. There's a lot of slime up here on top of the water. Some cheese, as they call it. Just from all the debris and all this rain and silt runoff that's run into this pond. So, I got a little stuff to hide under. There's a bunch of dead reeds over there. throwing this fluke completely weightless. I've got it exposed on the top a little bit. I'll show y'all what that looks like whenever I bring this back in. Because there's a lot of, as my mom would call it, debris, debris in this pond. So we got it. There's a bite. He dropped it though. Oh no, he didn't drop it yet. He still got it. Still got it? Yeah, he still got it. He still got it. Oh yeah, that's another nice one right there. That's another nice one right there. It's much darker in color on this guy than that other one was. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. It's a nice guy right there. Decent. About a pound. Not bad at all. Yeah, these fish are hungry. Getting slime all over my pants. It's all good though. I'm going to go back to work smelling like a sandwich. There we go. Be free, bud. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, as I was saying, I've got this rigged up. Texas rigs, weightless. Get it slid back up here like it's supposed to be. There we go. So what I did was I just barely skin hooked this right in there. Run the hook all the way through the bottom, dead center. I want to keep a really straight, flat profile, just like that there. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Well guys, you can see we actually were able to get something done for lunch. Caught a few dinks, nothing but dinks, but hey, that's all good. Each fish progressively got bigger than the last, and the fluke got it done. I didn't really have a lot of opportunity to fish with the craws I wanted to, and then we got caught up in the rain. But hey, I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. That Bass Fishing Dude out. Peace.